How to make formulas in Google Sheet. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on Google Sheets. You can use this method both on desktop, iOS and also on Android like I am using. So you have to go on Google Sheets. Then you have to select the data that you want to put the formula on. I have some sample data, put it over here. Let it open for some time. Now over here I will say I have the sample data. Now I have to click on the box where I want the sample data to the answer to be. Now over here, first of all, I have to write equal sign. Then I have to write what I want to do. Let's say I want to sum. Then I have to write sum. Then I have to create an open bracket. And then you have to write the range. Now let's say my range is from E22, so I have to write over here E22 plus, or I don't have to write plus, I have to write on the comma. Then I have to write down this last value from E22 till E30. E30. So I have to plus from E22 till E30. Then I have to close the bracket, and then I have to equal. Now it will show me all the sum from E22 to E30. This is how you can sum all the boxes from a range. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.